Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you expert insights into the world of beauty products. If you've ever struggled with weak, brittle nails, or just wished for a stronger, healthier manicure, you're going to want to stick around for this review. Today, we're diving into OPI's Repair Mode Bond Building Nail Serum, a product that promises to transform your nails with its keratin protein-rich formula. But does it live up to its claims? Let's take a closer look. OPI, a name synonymous with high-quality nail products, has designed this liquid nail serum to be a game-changer for those seeking to repair and strengthen their nails. With a focus on keratin protein, this serum is marketed as a bond-building treatment aimed at improving nail health, boosting strength, and promoting growth. Its compact 0.3 fluid ounce size makes it portable and easy to incorporate into your routine. But does this serum deliver on its promises? I've been using this product for a couple of weeks now, and I wanted to test it under real-world conditions. From day-to-day activities to those moments where my nails tend to take a beating, I've made sure to incorporate this serum into my routine, applying it both day and night. The serum has a lightweight, non-greasy texture, which I found pleasant on application. I used it consistently after washing my hands and before going to bed, ensuring that I gave it the best possible environment to work its magic. Now let's talk about the performance. One of the key benefits of this serum is its ability to penetrate the nail surface and start building bonds from within, repairing damaged nails over time. After a few days of use, I noticed my nails felt more hydrated with a visible reduction in brittleness. The serum did not leave any residue behind, which made it easy to go about my day without worrying about smudges or sticky fingers. But does it really enhance growth? That's a tougher claim to measure, though I did notice slightly stronger nails by the end of my testing period, which is a positive sign. Let's break it down. Pros. The serum is lightweight and absorbs quickly, which makes it easy to use regularly without any fuss. It's packed with keratin protein, which is essential for repairing nails and preventing further damage. The size is travel-friendly, so it can be carried around easily for quick touch-ups. Over time, my nails felt less prone to breaking and looked healthier. Cons. The price point may be a bit steep for some, especially considering the small bottle size. While it did improve the overall condition of my nails, the growth results weren't as dramatic as I had hoped for. If you're looking for instant results, this serum may require patience. When it comes to value for money, OPI's Repair Mode Bond Building Nail Serum certainly provides quality, but the price tag may feel high for some, given the small 0.3 ounce bottle. While the product performs well in terms of strengthening and repairing nails, it might be a bit expensive if you're on a budget. However, for those who are serious about nail care and looking for a product that can offer long-term benefits, it's definitely worth considering. There are other nail strengthening treatments on the market, but many lack the protein-rich formula that this serum boasts. If you're looking for an alternative, products like Sally Hansen's Hard as Nails or Essie's Grow Stronger might provide similar results at a lower cost. They may not have the keratin-packed formulation, but they're still solid options for strengthening nails. Now, onto build quality. This product comes in a small, easy-to-use glass bottle with a dropper for precise application. I appreciate the no-mess design, and the dropper makes sure you don't waste any product. As for longevity, considering the small amount required per use, the bottle lasts quite a while, making it a good investment in the long run. As for customer support, OPI has a strong reputation for being responsive to customer inquiries, and I've had positive experiences with the brand in the past. If you ever run into issues with the product, you can rest assured that OPI's team will handle it professionally. To sum it up, OPI's Repair Mode Bond Building Nail Serum offers a solid option for anyone looking to strengthen and repair damaged nails. While it might not be the miracle growth product some hope for, it certainly does a great job at improving nail health over time. If you're ready to invest in stronger, healthier nails, this serum could be just what you need. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.